You don't have time to visit Natasha on the plaza, but you really want to make some things yourself. You have a party coming up, or maybe you don't have a lot of time and you just can't do that. Well, guess what? We have the answer. Arina Lanis is here from partytips.com to show us how we can make our own treats and do it rather simply.
Yes, exactly. And the beauty of, the hottest thing this year and last year too were these googly eyes, and they're basically candies that you can buy at Michael's, Joann Fabrics, anywhere where they have a cake decorating area, and they're very inexpensive, and literally you can transform anything into like a Halloween monster, you know. So, so I took some Little Debbie's, and they are it's a perfect...
A square white piece of cake.
A square white piece of cake. You would never think, you know, anything else of it. And then I'm going to take these googly eyes, and I'm just going to put them right...
Now, is that chocolate frosting?
It is, and it's black, and I'm going to show you how...
And did that come right out of the can?
It did.
Oh, there you are, girl right after my own heart. I don't want to mess around with all this and dirtying everything up.
No. We've on a time constraint here. We've got parties coming up.
I hear you,
So, and this is the cake icing that I was talking about. So then all I'm going to do, and as you can see, my little eyes, they're not perfect. I mean, you can make them, you know, really weird. You can put one on one end, the other.
Or you could make the three-eyed monster if you wanted to.
Oh my gosh, what a great idea. We're just going to do a three-eyed monster right here. And then we're going to do a little, like, mouth, and it doesn't have to be perfect either. And if you want to get all, you know, just like really detail oriented, use a toothpick or a knife, and then you can sort of, like, I have a little sort of palette here, and you can be a little bit more precise.
Sure.
With,
you have eyebrows going there.
I do. Nice. I have eyebrows. Yeah. And so that's one way to do it. Now another one. So we're going to use the same little cake, and I'm just going to bloody it up a little bit here with some more, you know, frosting, and then I'm going to take another. This is a gummy eye, also. Oh wow. Yeah. And I'm just going to put it right in the middle.
One big gummy eye in the middle of that bloody mess.
Yes, and how easy is that? And you can do the same thing here. I did it with pretzel sticks. You know, they easily go on, and super easy.
Yeah, it does. Well, we got to get a shot of the finished product here.
Yes.
Because you know what? As easy as each one of these are, when you combine them all together, it really makes a fabulous statement.
It really
does. The first thing that caught my eye was this. And it didn't take you, what, 10 minutes to do this?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Good answer, by the way. All right, well, we really appreciate you, Arina. We have a link to Arina on our website where you have also posted recipes for the treats she's shown us today. Alexis.
That looks delicious.
Arina.